Hey guys, good day, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I just washed the car and it's raining and gloomy. Not the best decision in the world, but yeah. So as you guys can see, what we are doing has to do with this box. So let's get it open. Yeah, and amongst all this packaging is, oh, you can see it. Oh, that's right guys, today we are doing the VLAND V1 spec headlights for the car. And that means these daytime running light entire headlight unit is coming out and getting replaced with these new ones, which I think are the best headlights for this car. Probably the best choice in design for use, and the new daytime running light is going to be sick. Yeah, so I think it's time to pack up the headlights and go on our way. And yeah, today we're putting in V1 VLAND headlights into the car. Having a little trouble fit in the car. Couldn't fit it in the boot because sports car, but yeah, I was able to fit it in the front. Those of you guys were wondering, this is what the screen looks like. It is fixed, totally working, and yeah, it's totally perfect. It was just a fitment problem, but now it is in, and you guys can stop laughing that my radio is out of my car. Yeah, moving on to the next step of probably moving out, well, yeah, taking out the bracket, the headlight brackets. Yeah, there's one pesky thing underneath here somewhere. There was 10 or something, and then here as well on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and then one underneath here, I think. Yep. Yeah. So you have the old headlight there and the new one here, and you can see the massive difference that it's gonna make. You can see the blacked out entire look here, the sequential indicators inside, and the massive daytime running light compared to the one strip for the high spec headlight. World of a difference. Phew. Headlights are in the car, plastic on. Time to ooh, that is nice. So I have to put the bumper back on, make it sure everything fits, and then time to turn it on and see how it looks. Yeah, almost done with it, putting in the headlights and everything, but just want to set down this old one here so you can see the difference in the headlight. But look at that old one, the coloring and everything, but whew, this new one, oh, absolutely sleek. I think this is honestly the best decision you can make in terms of looks for the car. Another great option is the V2 spec headlights, which is the Lexus tick, which people have, which is also amazing, but this one's my personal favorite and it looks great. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, I'm looking at the car now after it's done, after everything's been put on, put back, and yeah, if you guys remember the before, this is the, oh, look at that. That is menacing. Look at that. that changes the entire front of the car. Changes the entire car. Look at that 3/4 view. Oh wow. No, that's amazing. Yep. That is awesome. If you look, yes, sequential indicators. Let's go. Yeah, before the stock OEM daytime run light, high spec headlights, that long thing, didn't have sequential indicators. This now does, which I think makes the car look a whole lot more complete than it did before. This just looks like OEM plus, you know, stock plus. Looks like what the car should have came with from the factory, if that makes sense. Definitely ties the car better. Yeah, it's loud. Poof, and the headlights look good. Can't lie, they look damn good. I think he's gonna come back. Whew. Yeah, the first one was a flyby, and the second one he was just rolling past. Oof. Yeah. No. It's good. Headlights make a world of a difference. Modern, sleek, and a lot more. Okay, guys, it's nighttime now, and I just thought I'd show you guys what the car looks like. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Looks so menacing. Wow. So guys, I guess that's it. Was amazing success. The lights look amazing, and yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Special shout out to Metal Donut and Brogan for making these lights possible, because without them and helping me install it, we wouldn't have had these lights in. So I think that's it for today's video. For the next video, the next modification, well, let's just say that the car needs more black. Yeah, that's the next modification. As you guys know, I've said too much without saying enough. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I can feel you.